Picture yourself in the 2022 Toyota 4Runner. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 40,000 miles on the odometer. This rugged 4Runner delivers serious off-road capability, a comfortable interior, and family-friendly practicality. Enjoy the great outdoors like never before in this astonishingly versatile vehicle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, heated mirrors, fog lamps, backup camera, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels. Feel prepared for every adventure in this capable 4Runner. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.